New JUKI Mo-6814AS Overlock Machine. Key features and advantages. Experience unmatched precision and efficiency with the JUKI Mo-6814AS, high-performance industrial overlock machine. This model engineered specifically for ultra-fine sewing on light and medium-weight fabrics. The control panel is built into the machine head, paired with a high-efficiency direct-drive servo motor for quick start-stop and improved responsiveness. The user-friendly control panel allows easy adjustments of sewing speed, needle positioning, and LED brightness. USB port for software updates or charging devices. Ergonomically located oil level indicator ensures easy monitoring during operation. Integrated LED lighting enhances visibility for reducing errors and operator fatigue. Speeds up to 6,500 stitches per minute. Maximum output with flawless stitch quality. To adjust the stitch length, press the button while simultaneously turning the dial with scale markings to the desired setting. JUKI Mo-6814AS is essential for sewing silk, chiffon, viscose, linen, and other delicate fabrics. Built-in direct drive motor delivers quiet operation, low vibration, and optimal comfort. Ensures tight, flawless seams, even on the most elastic fabrics. The machine is already in stock and ready to meet your production needs. Explore a wide selection of industrial sewing machines, tables, and accessories at PrizzySewing.com.